In this video, I will explain how to extract complex designs using color range selection. So let's get started. If you are new here, then make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get instant notifications for my upcoming videos, because I usually share such kind of interesting videos. I have got this complex design, so I want to remove the background of this, and I only want the design on a transparent background. So first of all, unlock this layer, then go to filter gallery. In artistic folder, select poster edges, zoom out from here. I would like to increase the edge thickness to 100, keep the edge intensity to 0 and posterization to 6, then press OK. You can check it has been improved a little bit. Now again go to image, adjustment, and then click exposure. Now increase the value of exposure a little bit and decrease the value of offset, then press OK. Again go to image, adjustment, and then levels. Increase the value of this slider and decrease the value of this slider. You can also adjust the middle slider as well, and then press OK. Then go to select and select color range. This is the main section of this tutorial where you have to select the area which you want to remove. Here I want to remove the white area, so I'm going to select this plus icon and then click on the white area. You can play with the fuzziness if you want. If you increase its value, then you are going to lose some important details, so I'm going to keep it at around 30. And then click on different samples to select the all area, then press OK. So we have got this selection. Now go to quick selection tool and increase its selection to this area as well. Include these dots as well. Now press delete key. So you have extracted the design. Now you can improve its quality. I'm going to add a solid color adjustment layer here. Drag this layer below layer 0. Now I want to remove these dots here. Select layer 0 and create a mask. Select brush tool using B. Increase the size of the brush. Press X to toggle between foreground and background color, and then remove these dots. You can make it as perfect as you want. So that's it. That's how you can easily extract any complex designs, and you can transform them to either white background or transparent images.